Hey everybody. So I did a mail call showing that I got some mail, and here's the unboxing, unbagging. This is from I cut my packaging. This is from Athena Precision in, I want to say this is in Utah. Yes, West Valley, Utah. Oh, here's something nice to know. If you submit a picture, at least in this, if I submit a picture of my setup on the media page, I'll get 10% off my next order. And I got the flared magwell for the Glock 17. Comes with a sticker and all the hardware and everything to install this. So look forward to a video of me installing that, as well as all the other stuff that you've seen in these other unboxing videos. Hope that helps.